How to use AirCover for guests on Airbnb for serious stay issues. Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very clear step-by-step guide on how to do so when you run into serious stay issues, so you can follow out this method for that. So we can start by opening up Airbnb application and logging into our account if we're not logged in. An air cover for guests is included with everything in booking and helps when there is a serious issue that the host can fix, such as if the host has cancelled your reservation before check-in, or you cannot get in touch with the host or can't check in, etc. So as soon as you notice a serious issue, what we can do is we can just go over and within the place, you can take clear photos and videos of the problem and keep any messages with the host to show attempts to fix it. This evidence will help Airbnb understand the situation. After that, you can open up the reservation in your Airbnb app. You can go to the trip section and find out your history of the trip. And you can message your host right away to explain the issues. So you can head over to the hotel's page as well sometimes, and there you can find your host. So you can directly contact the host there, find the host name. After that, you can just go over and try messaging them directly. You can just go over and find that option, something like this called message host. You can tap on it. After that, you can start up the process to message them. You can tap on message host, continue the process, and you'll be getting a box. You can just go over and explain the issue in this box right here. After that, give them a chance to resolve it, because Airbnb requires that you resolve things with the host before escalating your claim. And if your host does not fix the problem or does not respond within a reasonable time, you can go back to your reservation and look out for the option called get help with the stay, something like that, or report it. And you can choose that option, report this listing, etc. And you can upload up your photos and explain the situation as well there, and just go over and do so. If the host still can't help, you can contact the Airbnb support. You can directly look out for the reservation and contact them directly, and they should probably help you out. If the issue is covered, Airbnb may find you compatible accommodation at similar pricing. You can just go over and check it out. But yeah, that's it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.